Ayan. Barbecue day.
Emperor.
Saan ba to? Fridays. Mang...
Gabriel.
What's the name of the store of this?
One's Mang Inasal.
This, Mang Inasal, sir.
Then, TGI Fridays. Then Aling.
Aling Rosing,
Asing. Hold on, let me pull it up.
Aling Silay.
Alright, here we go.
Aling Milay.
Na quarter.
Lusing.
Asing Lusing.
Aling Rosing. Then,
Aling
Isaw.
Lusing Sisig. And then Bacon Q is the last one. So we got TGI Fridays, Mang Inasal, Bacon Q, and Aling Lusing Sisig.
Aling Rosing sisig. Pang-limang araw pa lang na birthday.
Round 5.
Round 5.
5 days into birthday celebration.
Ay, grabe.
Kuya, hati-hatiin mo nga to. Mga bata may...
Ito ang special baby back ribs.
Where's Mando? He needs his picture.